So what happened is I'm a horse rider, and this silly horse of mine in a competition went one way and I went the other. And so I fell off and I severely damaged my finger, this finger. So what happened is I didn't have it treated, or I can't have had it treated. I went to my house doctor and so on, but nothing really improved it. And I was really sickling for about 2 months. And then I decided, no. And then Robyn, I was even skeptical of Robyn. But then she said, just come and see me, Rob. So Rob went to see Robyn. And so the first time she looked at my finger, I couldn't move it. If she tried to bend it, if she just went like this, I went through her roof. So what she did is she started by putting in, she said it was so swollen, she put it in a plaster cast. And then that kind of, I don't know what the purpose of that was, but anyway, she put it in a plaster cast. And then what happened is she gave me a splint. And I don't know what the purpose of that was, because I didn't see any progress either. And then she came up with this gadget. Now you might think it's something to gag me, but it's not. It's actually for my hand. And this I had on since last week. And Robyn said I must exercise it all the time. How's that for results? In a matter of about a week and a half, with Robyn's gag order contraption. So if you're really struggling with your hand and you've hurt it and you need it fixed, Robyn's the person to go to. Thanks, Robyn. Okay, I'm going to be quiet now.